Hello everyone, myself Malakar sir. Today we'll be learning one new piece called Rain. In this piece of music, you'll be getting two new notes on your little finger, both hand little finger. Right hand which will be called G, left hand which will be called F. Once again, right hand little finger G, left hand little finger F. Both your thumb should be from C. Now, according to first measure, C is first note, then D, then E, then F. Each note having one count, so you'll be playing like 1, 2, 3, 4. And next measure, measure 2, which is called G, F, E, D, which will be with your 5, 4, 3, 2. Third measure is C, D, E, D. Once again, C, D, E, D, which will be played by thumb, second, third, second. And next measure is C. Now, this C will be played for 4 beat. Now the point is, here also you are getting one new timing which is called semi-breve or 4 count note. The circle, if you find any circle on the notation, that notation will be 4 count note. 1, 2, 3, 4. So once again, if I play from beginning, this will be like this: C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C, D, E, D, C, 2, 3, 4. Then up. Now, second line, which will be played by left hand. C, B, A, G. Once again, C, 1, B with 2, A, third finger, G, fourth finger. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, second measure of second line will be F, G, A, B, which will be with 5, 4, 3, 2. Once again, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now, third measure of second line, C, G, A, B, which is 1, 4, 3, 2. Once again, 1, 4, 3, 2. And the last note again, C, which is for 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I am going to play only second line. C, B, A, G, F, G, A, B, C, G, A, B, C, 2, 3, 4. Thank you.